Hello, here I will answer the questions you had. First of all, you want to send several rows in the spreadsheet because you have several orders in one call. I'll show you how to send the spreadsheet by email. So here in the post call variables, we give up all variables and make a single one for orders that will hold all the details. Keep in mind that here we don't need to define customers or assistants phone number because they already in the system. Here to orders variable, I put a description JSON escape its string containing multiple orders, order 1, order 2, etc. Each order should include customer name, system, outlet, delivery, number, on date, on time, and all the variables you have. I'll send you this description after the video. Now on the automation, I click on retest. I go to a call. I reevaluate this call to get the new variable. We see that we have a JSON here for two orders, order 1 and order 2. Now we can select resend webhook and we go back to automation platform. We see that we have received the results. Here we have orders. Now on branch we click on retest. You need to put the code a piece because our orders columns is JSON escaped, but we need to make it into a normal JSON. So we'll put these key orders with the value. We extend that phone call ended, extracted variables and input insert orders. We type customer number 2, but here we extend it and we see that customer name that we not defined it in extracted variables, so we have that in the system. We click on insert and I put paste the code here. I will send that code at the end of the video. We can retest that action and it's tested successfully. Order 0, order 1. Now instead of insert row, we select insert multiple rows. That means add one or more new rows in the specific spreadsheet. We select our connection, the spreadsheet sheet, and for rows JSON format we select JSON. Here we will have something like this. You click on this dynamic value, we delete all this, click on JSON and insert that code. We can retest that step. It's successful and we can check our spreadsheet. It's 2 orders here. Now I want to send this file by email, so I put the Google Drive piece. I select list files action. I make a connection for the folder ID. Make sure your spreadsheet is in a folder. Like here, my spreadsheet is in the order folder. I'll copy this link from the URL. I go back to automation and paste that URL. And I enable download files. I test this step. It was successful, and now we search for email. I complete the necessary fields: receiver, subject, and body. And we need to send attachment. An attachment that means our spreadsheet. We extend this list files. We search for download files, extend it, and insert to that downloaded files. And for attach name, that's important. We give it a name like test.xlsx for it be Excel. And now we can publish this flow. We go back to our call, send on resend webhook, and wait to the automation run. We can check that run section and we see that it's good, and we can see our spreadsheet is good. the email with attachment, we can download it and open, and we have our spreadsheet here. Thanks for watching.